Do you know that your nose is not just one bone or muscle, but it has bones and muscles and cartilage. So as you know, yes, like I said, nose has a bone right here, right? That's nasal bones, 2 of them. And if you already had tilted nasal bone, it might be a little bit difficult to make your nose straight, but it's still possible. And right here, the yellow part, it's called maxillary bones. So these 2, right? And important bones I want you to know so that we can make your nose in a good shape. And the muscles, let me show you. Yep, there's always muscle right here, right here. Right, you feel that? Yep, at the edge of your nasal bones, right here. There's a muscle right here. Feel it, feel it. You can even move and see if you feel that muscle. Yes, and right next to your nose, there's muscles right here too. Feel that. Put the index fingers and feel the movement. See? Yep. And then cartilages. Look at them. Yes. The upper part, the cartilage right here, right? And you can move side to side. And lower part, the cartilage right here. Lower part right here, right here. Softer. So this one gets longer as we age because of gravity. So back to that. If you started seeing some changes, first you need to check your lifestyle. Check your daily habits. Check your shape of the nose, the cartilage part. Do you see any asymmetry? And imagine if you're touching your nose every day in the same way. Sure, the cartilage can change the shape. And if you're sleeping aside, what happens? Can you see? When I tilt my head, do you see that? My nose shape is different. This side is straighter. This side has more cartilage, right? Shifted. And if you blow your nose the same way and pushing down or pushing up, it affects your nose too. So with that, you need to check your daily habits. And if you need to change some of them, change them so that you can keep your nose in a good shape. Okay, let's go to the actual exercises to make your nose in a good shape. As I often mention that there are 4 R in face yoga method exercises to get the best result. First, you need to release the tension. If you have any tension, it reduces the benefit of all the poses. And second R, reshape or rebuild. After you release the tension, you want to reshape or rebuild the muscle. And then third R is relax. You need to relax after working on the muscles. And then fourth R is repeat. You need to repeat. You need to repeat the exercises. There's 2 parts right here and then on the bottom part, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to put a hand on the forehead and we are going to do the face, a big O. Drop a jaw and look straight, okay? When you look straight and when you drop a jaw, you feel a nice sensation right here, okay? Don't tilt your head, keep looking straight, okay? And then we are going to use thumb and index finger right here. And feel it? Okay, you feel that. Okay, right next to that, we're going to put the side of the index finger again. So not the bone you're touching. It's a cartilage right here, just under the nasal bones here. And we are going to push to one side. Breathe in, big O. And breathe in and out from other nose. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. and come out. How do you feel? Let's do other side. Put a hand on your forehead and breathe in and out from your nose. And then the side of the index finger right here on the top part of, upper part of cartilage right here. Okay, breathe in and out from the nose. Breathe in and out. Keep the big O. Keep your face looking straight. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, out. How do you feel? Can you breathe better? Okay, so these are the poses and little secrets to keep your nose in a good shape. Try these, but check your habits, daily habits, and if you need to change them, change them.